Hey everybody, Rob Kolb, your Toledo area public adjuster, making claims great again, and today I'm answering another contractor video request. So guys, I love these topics you're sending me, they're excellent. Today's topic is percentage-based insurance deductibles. So first off, everybody out there, do you even know what your deductible is? Because you would be absolutely shocked the amount of people I run into that don't know what their deductible is. And on top of that, I don't know if you knew this, you might have two different deductibles on your policy. So let's say, for example, you have your normal deductible is $1,000. So if you have a pipe burst or an ice dam or whatever the situation is, 90% of the time your deductible is going to be that $1,000 or whatever you think it is. That's what most of the time it'll be. But you may also have a percentage-based deductible on there for a particular kind of a situation. So, it's different throughout the country. In Florida, they have deductibles that are specific to hurricanes. And we're going to stick to my region because I know it the best. So up here in Toledo, Ohio, I see percentage-based deductibles for wind and hail, for example. So what will happen is, again, for most issues, your deductible may be $1,000. But let's say, for example, on wind and hail, your deductible is 2%. Now that is 2% of the total amount of insurance you have on the house. So let's say, for example, if you have $200,000 worth of coverage on your home. And let's say now Mother Nature came through with a windstorm and now you have a wind claim on your house. Well, instead of a $1,000 deductible, it's 2%. So again, if your home is worth, not what your home is worth. If you have $200,000 worth of coverage on there and it's a 2% deductible, now your deductible is $2,000. What I'm going to get into here, I'm going to shoot a separate video on these things, but excuse me, we're going to talk about real quick what I call the insurance double whammy, because what we're talking about here is based on a case that I did with one of my clients. So, we're going to say in this particular situation, their claim on this house was $10,000. That's what the new roof cost. So we already reduced it by 20% because of the wind and hail deductible. So it already took the claim from $10,000 down to $8,000. Here's where the double whammy comes in. On top of that, they had a provision in their policy that says after the roof is 15 years old, it automatically goes to ACV, or actual cash value. Okay, actual cash value is it's a method of depreciating the roof or the siding or whatever it is, depreciating it with using a certain formula the insurance company has to reduce what it's worth. So in this particular situation, the ACV reduced the payout by $3,000. So now we went from $10,000, it went to $8,000 because of the percentage-based deductible, and then it went down another $3,000 because of the actual cash value situation. So the situation here, the claim was reduced by 50% from $10,000 to $5,000. So you got to know these things. Once again, this is typical of, if you're trying to save a buck, if an insurance company is saying, well, we can give you a lower rate, what are you losing as a result? Okay, this could be that kind of situation. And let's face it, I understand you don't want to pay a monthly payment for insurance. It's not like you're paying for a jet ski or something fun you get to go and use on the weekend. But consider what I'm telling you here. On top of paying a monthly bill you don't want to pay, then to pour salt in the wound on top of that, when you do need the insurance, now you're really furious because, you got half of the payout you should have. I'm sorry, and if that's the case, if that's what's in your policy, you can be mad all you want, and you can call a public adjuster, you can call an attorney. If those provisions are in your contract, you're out of luck. So once again, you can call me as a public adjuster. I can come out there, I can review your policy and tell you exactly where you're at. You can talk to your insurance agent and ask them these things. Don't save money, don't cheap out on insurance, because I hate when these situations happen. Know if you have actual cash value or replacement cost. Again, I'm going to do another video that talks about that. Know if you have a percentage-based video. If you guys have any questions on that, feel free to leave me a comment. I'll give you more detail about that. But again, a couple of these topics too, there are whole other videos that I plan to shoot. If you guys have any other topics, you're giving me some really great topics over the past couple days, excellent topics. You can email me, leave them in the comment section below. If you found this video to be particularly good information, if it's going to help you, give me a like. Please subscribe to my videos. I'm going to just be doing a ton of these, giving you guys free information, because I want to make your lives great again. I want to make the insurance process great again, all the way across the board. I love you guys. If you have any additional questions, again, if you want to look me up on YouTube, Making Claims Great Again, Rob Kolb, your Toledo area public adjuster, and you guys make sure you have a great day. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.